Today I'll be telling you why I chose to do dropshipping full time. It's freezing out here. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna make my famous homemade French fries, and there's Joelle. Say what's up, guys. Let's go. One of the biggest reasons I started dropshipping is I didn't want to work anybody's schedule, and I hate being bossed around, especially with, you know, bosses who are just a-holes. I hate that. But also the biggest reason is I wanted to spend as much time with my daughter. As you can see, she's down there. You know, I wanted to spend as much time with her as possible because, you know, time flies and I don't want to miss a thing. One of the biggest things is you can work from anywhere. When I was in Cancun or Puerto Rico, like recently, like I could check my ads on there and I was just getting money while I was there. So that was the best feeling, you know, making money while I'm on vacation. You cannot beat that. But also, if you tell people what you want to do and you want to like run an online business, people are just not gonna get it because they just don't understand, you know, the whole business concept. So honestly, just keep to yourself and keep grinding, because I mean, the results will just prove themselves. They will see what you guys are making and they're gonna be asking, hey, like, how'd you do that? Or they'll message you like, hey, can you help me do what you're doing? You know, I've had that multiple times. People used to like doubt me and stuff, and like now they're messaging me saying how I'm doing this and if I could teach them. So don't ever listen to someone, especially if they have never done it themselves. Stay in your lane and just do your own thing, and I guarantee you'll be successful. Especially in Wisconsin, you know, everyone just goes to college and gets the desk job, and that's not what I ever wanted to do. I knew there was always a way to do something that you want to do, and finally I found dropshipping like 2 years ago. And while I was at work, I would be like studying, I would be, you know, like testing, I would be, you know, creating stores, even while I was at work, because I'm just like, I'm gonna be doing this. Like, I don't wanna, you know, stay at this third shift job and just, you know, sleep all day. I don't want that. And finally, last year, I got, you know, to quit my job because I was making enough money on drop shipping, and it's been great ever since. Like, I mean, we just moved here and this is just a blessing, and I'm just excited for the future. And honestly, I just hope this motivates someone that's just starting drop shipping and they're doubting themselves. Don't listen to anyone. You know, you can watch YouTube videos just like this to motivate you, because it is definitely possible, and I want you to succeed as well. And yeah, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for the next video.